Hey, hello guys, Flash here for another video. Today we're going to discuss about SpaceKnight crypto, new currency on your Binance Smart Chain. With that being said, let's get right in the video. Okay, so here on your website, SpaceKnight, we can see that they have listed on free exchanges Asbit, TalkPi, and Pancake. Myself, I haven't heard about Asbit or TalkPi, but I guess they're there. SpaceKnight is an autonomous yield and liquidity generation protocol hosted on the Binance Smart Chain. For each purchase or sale of SpaceKnight, total supply goes down and the holder receives token rewards. Every transaction also creates liquidity, which is automatically locked. We can see here there are currently at 206 holders. This is the circulating supply and the token burned. They have burned 53.6% by manual, DX burn 13%, and supplies 32.9%. 4% goes to the dev wallet, split between 4 developers at 1% each, 2% marketing, 2% exchange listing wallet, 1% payroll wallet, and 1% charity. As I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group, as well as following them on Twitter. Checking over here the BSC scan, so 217 addresses at the moment. You see the holders over here, the burn address 53.6%. There is a contract that has been locked with 30%. Here I think this is the liquidity, 7%, and the holders. You can also see the AMA1, so the first AMA June 19th over here, and also I guess the white paper. So if you guys want to buy SpaceKnight, all you guys have to do is put the slippage tolerance on 12% over here. After that, just put in whatever amount of BNB you want to swap for SpaceKnight. I'm sorry, the camera just died, no battery left. And click on swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification, just wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and I'll catch you boys into the next one.